Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In
Hey
this
everyone,
Tuta
welcome
Mail
back
guide for
to another tutorial.
2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail password reset problems.
Okay.
Whether you're unable to reset your password, not receiving recovery information, getting errors during the reset process, or struggling to regain access to your account,
Okay.
there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct email address when requesting a password reset. Even a small typo can prevent the recovery system from
Hmm.
locating your account. Next, carefully follow the password recovery process provided by Tuta Mail. Depending on your account setup, you may need a recovery code or other recovery credentials that were generated when the account was created.
Hmm.
If you're expecting a recovery email or verification message, check all folders including inbox, spam, junk, promotions, and trash. Automated messages can sometimes be filtered incorrectly. Another important step is to verify that you're entering your recovery code exactly as provided. Recovery codes are case sensitive and must be entered accurately to work properly. If you're using a web browser, clear your browser cache and cookies before attempting the password reset again. Corrupted browser data can occasionally interfere with account recovery pages. Once you successfully regain access to your account, update your recovery information and store your recovery code securely to avoid future account recovery issues. And that's how to fix Tuta Mail password reset problems. By verifying your recovery information, checking your browser and connection, and following the correct recovery procedures, you can resolve most password reset issues and restore access to your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.